Welcome back to my channel, where we delve into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated M5 Mac Mini. With Apple's M series chips revolutionizing computing, the upcoming M5 iteration promises to be a game changer. So let's explore what the future holds for this compact powerhouse. The evolution of Mac Mini. The Mac Mini has come a long way since its inception. Starting as a modest entry-level desktop, it has transformed into a formidable machine, especially with the introduction of Apple's silicon chips. The M1 chip marked a significant leap, offering impressive performance and energy efficiency. The subsequent M2 and M4 chips built upon this foundation, delivering even more power and capabilities. Now, all eyes are on the M5 Mac Mini, expected to set new benchmarks in performance and design. Anticipated design overhaul. Design-wise, the Mac Mini has maintained a consistent look over the years. However, rumors suggest that the M5 Mac Mini might receive a significant redesign. Speculations point towards a slimmer profile, improved thermal management, and possibly new color options to align with other Apple products. This redesign could not only enhance aesthetics but also improve functionality. YouTube. The power of the M5 chip. At the heart of the upcoming Mac Mini lies the M5 chip. While official specifications are under wraps, industry insiders anticipate notable improvements. The M5 chip is expected to feature a more powerful CPU and GPU, enhanced neural engine capabilities, and better energy efficiency. These enhancements aim to cater to professionals and creatives who demand high performance in a compact form factor. Performance expectations. Performance is paramount, and the M5 Mac Mini is poised to deliver. With the anticipated upgrades, users can expect faster processing speeds, smoother multitasking, and improved graphics performance. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, developing software, or running complex simulations, the M5 Mac Mini aims to handle it all with ease. Connectivity and expansion. Connectivity options are crucial for any desktop computer. The M5 Mac Mini is rumored to feature multiple Thunderbolt ports, USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI output, and an Ethernet port. These options ensure compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and displays, making the Mac Mini a versatile choice for various setups. Storage and memory configurations. Storage and memory are vital components that influence performance. The base model of the M5 Mac Mini is expected to come with ample SSD storage and unified memory. Higher-end configurations might offer increased storage capacities and memory options to cater to more demanding tasks. It's worth noting that, as with previous models, these components are likely soldered onto the motherboard, making post-purchase upgrades challenging. Operating system and software integration. The M5 Mac Mini will run on the latest version of macOS, optimized to leverage the full potential of the M5 chip. Users can anticipate seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, enhanced security features, and access to a vast array of applications tailored for both productivity and creativity. Target audience and use cases. Who stands to benefit the most from the M5 Mac Mini? Its compact size and powerful performance make it ideal for professionals working in video editing, graphic design, software development, and more. Additionally, its affordability compared to other Mac models makes it an attractive option for students and small businesses seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank. Environmental considerations. Apple has been making strides in sustainability, and the M5 Mac Mini is expected to continue this trend. From using recycled materials in its construction to improving energy efficiency, the new Mac Mini aims to reduce its environmental footprint while delivering top-notch performance. Pricing and availability. While official pricing hasn't been announced, the M5 Mac Mini is expected to be competitively priced, offering excellent value for its performance. As for availability, industry analysts predict a release date in late 2025 or early 2026. However, it's always best to stay tuned to official Apple announcements for the most accurate information. Final thoughts. In summary, the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be a significant upgrade, combining powerful performance with a sleek design. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or someone in need of a reliable desktop solution, the upcoming Mac Mini promises to deliver. What are your thoughts on the upcoming M5 Mac Mini? Are you planning to upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.